video day, guys. So for today's video, I have a really fun video for you guys because I got a brand new PR package from Pixie, and the items that they sent me is all on their PIXI Pretties collection. Guys, I've got so much stuff to try on for you guys. I've got eyeshadow palettes, we've got face palettes, we've got some glowy lip glosses and liquid lipsticks, lots of glitter. So we're going to be playing with a lot of fun stuff from the PIXI Pretty collection, which if you guys don't know what that is, it's basically the collection that they release teaming up with a bunch of different YouTubers. And this time I really think that a lot of the items really are pretty damn cool, and we're going to try them all on together. Of course, this is the final face look. This is using a lot of the items that came inside of this PIXI Pretty collection, and yeah, I'm super excited to show you guys because I really think there's some really big hits in here that I think you guys are going to love, especially for the holidays. So we're going to get into everything in a few seconds, but if you guys are new to my channel, I'm Christina, Brooke, and I would love it if you like me enough to want to hit that subscribe button and see me again. So if you guys want to, don't forget to do that right now, and let's get into everything the PIXI Pretties. I'm gonna go ahead and take everything off my face. We're gonna go back in time and we're gonna start from square one. You guys will see everything applied and we'll talk about everything right now. All right, so let me show you guys first the box so you guys can see how cool this is. They sent me this entire PIXI Pretty collection inside of this box. If you guys are following me on Instagram, it's Christina Brooke Beauty. I showed you guys me unboxing this, and oh my god, this is the box. Da, da, da. Look at that. Oh my god, it is so cool. I don't know, to me this is so cool. This is Heart Defensor, and there is an eyeshadow palette. This is the owner of Pixie, Petra Strand. And then we have rachhloves, which is Rachel here on YouTube, which I love her channel. We have Chloe Morello, which is also fantastic. We have Merriam Maquillaje. I hope I say that right. My husband's gonna kill me. But yeah, and there's this other one. There's this one too. Let me just pop that back in. I was already looking at this one. And then here we have From Head to Toe, and these are two highlighters. I am not gonna be able to try them all on my face because I only have one face, so we're gonna have to pick a few to try on. And like always, guys, I'm gonna go through here, and anything that I feel like I probably won't use, I'm gonna include in giveaways for you guys because you know I like to do my fun giveaways for you guys. So let me look at the rachhloves palette first. So this is what it looks like. Just like these, it's so cute. And then on the back you can see it talks about her on the back, which is also really neat. And she's actually one of my favorite channels. I actually love watching her. So let's see what this palette looks like. Let me see if this is something that I can use today, because that would be really cool. So it looks just like this, and then on the inside, look how pretty that is. Oh my god, that's so cool. Yeah, this is a glow on palette. I love Pixie's highlighters, so I think I'm gonna use that. I didn't realize there's no bronzer in here, so let me just bronze up my face really quick because I don't have bronzer on. I'm not gonna do this whole face look with no bronzer, right? Bronzer, like honestly guys, bronzer does such a big difference. Like, I love bronzer. So let's jump into this palette. Why not? Should we jump into this one first, or should we do the eyes? I don't even know, guys. There's too much here to pick from. Okay, so we've got this color. It's called Lace. We've got Zipper, which is purple, which I don't understand. I'm gonna have to look up how you're gonna use that. We have Knit, which this is probably gonna be a really cool like eyeshadow for me. We have Tea, which Tea is really calling my attention, and we have Clutch. So there we go. These are all the colors in here, and oh my gosh, I don't even know. What should I do? I love the Pixie highlighters, so these are really exciting me. I also like that I can probably use some of these colors on my lids. All right, I want to try Clutch because I think Clutch is going to work for me. Oh, I love Pixie. Oh my gosh. It's actually a pretty light highlight, and it works pretty good on my skin. Like, this one's going to give me that really pretty glow. I like this. I like this. Okay, so that is the rachhloves palette. I put two of the colors on my cheeks. I love the quality so far. I think it's gonna be fantastic. I'm gonna go ahead and insert the swatches so you guys can see the colors that come inside of this palette. So this is an entire glow-on palette, but you can put some of them on your eyes. I love this so far. I think this is going to be fantastic. Pixie highlights are insane. It's one of my favorite products that Pixie does. So honestly, this is great. I love this. So yeah, let's move on. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna play with right now is this one right here. So this is from Pixie and Heart Defensor. And this is an eyeshadow palette with some really pretty colors, especially now for fall. So let's go ahead and let's do a fun eye look, but there's also another product in here I really wanna try. So I'm gonna try to see how I could work that product into this eye look. So let's go ahead and let's zoom in a little closer. We'll play some cute little music. You guys will see me creating the eye look, and let's get to it right now. Wow, that was pigmented, guys. Like honestly, like wow, I did not expect that. Alright guys, so I used a few of the colors in here, and I have to admit, I think that the quality is definitely there. Because I didn't do the inner portion because I'm going to use another product that I'm dying to use as well. But I have to tell you guys, I think that the quality of this is really, really nice. I like the color selection. I personally, however, feel like it's missing one color. I wish that there was one darker shade than this one. I wish it was like a really dark, rich, deep brown in here. These colors down here are really, really cool. I actually use this one on the inner corner, and I think it has like a really cool like orangey shift. It's really pretty. Now I can see a lot of the looks that you're going to create with this are going to be like that brown kind of reddish tone. I like it. I think it's a very pretty palette. I'm actually happy I tried it. I almost didn't try this one, saying, oh, you know, I probably have something similar to this, and I was like, I'll just give it a shot. And I'm happy I did, because I can report to you guys that I really think that the quality is there. Does it have every single color that I would have wanted in it? No, but does it work really good? Yes. So this is definitely a really pretty palette, and I actually think that they did a really good job on this one too. So, but now we're gonna get into something I've been dying to try. So I have been dying to try this. And I don't know if this probably is not the right look to try this with, but I want to try it. So that is this cool black product. So this is part of Pixie and Maryam's Maquillaje's, Maquillaje, or my husband always tells me Maquillaje. I speak Spanish, can't you tell? So anyways, this is, and that's serious, I do speak Spanish. So I've been dying to try this. It has glitter in it, it's black, and it's supposed to be a topper for the eyeshadow. We're gonna put this on. I know it's probably not the best color to mix here, but I want to try it because this is the color I want to try it. It's pretty neat. I'm gonna have to jump back into the Heart palette to kind of like tie this so that it doesn't look like broken up, but that's pretty damn interesting, I have to tell you. Let me see how I can tie this really quickly. All right, that is really cool product. I did jump into my KKW Beauty palette just to get this really dark brown because I really needed something a little bit darker to kind of tie into this darker black color that I wanted to put on. But I'm loving this product. It's really interesting. I would tell you guys, if you've done an entire eye look, this is like one of those things that you kind of like put like a little spotlight, or you put this on its own, and that's probably gonna be really cool. I actually want to try this with a really dark black smoky eye and just like throwing this towards the center or blowing it out. I think that's gonna make for a really cool statement piece. What I like about this is it literally is like glitter, but it already has the glitter glue on it, so it actually like sticks to your lid. So you don't have to go and get glitter glue and like stick on an eyeshadow. So I really, really like this. I thought this was gonna be similar to like the Stila Glitter and Glows, but it's not. This is like really like real glitter. Like this is glitter chunks. Like it's a lot bigger, and this is more separated glitter, but it's really, really cool. This is gonna be a really cool like nighttime event type of makeup. I like it. So I noticed too, the pigment on here is pretty, like when you put it on, it kind of like is a washed out black, but when you put it first on, it kind of looks a little darker, and as it dries, it actually lightens up and you see more of the glitter. But how I like to apply it, and what I figured was the best, is after I put it on the lid, using my finger, I kind of just like smeared it out a little bit to kind of like even out the black tone and also to spread out the glitters a little bit better. And I felt like that worked pretty good. And then like to refine it a little bit, because I already have eyeshadow on, I just used a brush to kind of like, you know, even out those little edges. I used a really thin brush and I like the way it came out. I think this is a really cool product. They actually sent me one more beautiful color from their day kit. I'm actually going to include this one in a future giveaway because I have this black one already and I would really want you guys to try this. So if you guys haven't done this already, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, because when I announce these giveaways, it's sporadic and you guys will see it come on the channel. This is going to be included in a future one, so keep your eyes peeled for this. So now inside of the Merriam Maquillaje one, there was 2 different lip colors. I did wear this one yesterday and I feel like this is the one that will probably match me better, but I want to try this one because I tried the other one yesterday and this color is insanely beautiful. I'll put a little picture here so you guys can see what the color looks like, because I did wear it in my video from just recently. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one on. Let's see what this color looks like. I'm not going to put a lip liner just so you guys can see the color. So I honestly love this color. This is a beautiful color. Not good for my eye look right now, but this is so pretty. This is what the color looks like, and this color right here is called Coral Bang. I love a good coral shade, and this is really pretty. Ooh, what a difference a mascara makes. Oh my gosh, guys. And I am loving this lip color. I love corally, peachy tone lips. I just think they're so pretty, and I love both of these. I live for Pixie's liquid lips, guys. Like, honestly, best liquid lips on the market. I love them to death. I honestly don't think that I have found a better liquid lip. Like, these literally to me are comfortable, non-drying, they last good enough for me, and I love them, and these are fantastic. I love both of these. The other color is called Posh Nude, and you can get them inside of the little kits, and yeah, I love Maryam's kits. I think that these were fantastic. These are like, I think Maryam's kits so far are my favorite out of this entire PIXI Pretties collection so far. I really love these kits. I think they're beautiful. All right, so let's keep on going. So now we have these 2 right here. So these are 2 glowy highlighters, and they're called glowy powders. And the problem is I already put on highlight and everything, so I'm actually not going to try these on. They're multi-dimensional highlighters. Both of them are very pretty tones. I don't know if any of them will work perfect for my skin tone. One's a little bit more bronze, and then the other one has more of a lavender shift to it. They're very pretty, but for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and throw these aside. I may include these in a future giveaway. This looks really cool too. So this is also from Head to Toe, and this is called the Endless Shade Stick. Oh man. So this is like one of those eyeshadow pencils, and this would have been really cool to try as well. But like you guys can see, I already have enough stuff on my eyes. I don't want to look like a crazy lady. So this looks like a really cool product. I have to save this one to try it later or include it in a giveaway, but I'm going to go ahead and toss it aside and hopefully try it for you guys later. So those were the items from Head to Toe's collaboration. And the last collaboration that I have sitting here is the one from Chloe Morello. These are 3 lip glosses, and it has really cute glitter in it. I'm living for all this glitter, guys. So this is the lip icing collection. So these are the 3 different colors from the Chloe Morello part. And honestly, guys, these are so pretty. Like, they're so pretty. I am very intrigued by all of them. I don't even know which one to put on. I almost feel like I want to put this one on, even though it's pink and I have orange on. All right, so let's just go ahead and try this one on. So this one is the lighter. This is like the, I don't know if this would be like clear. This is called Parfait. So let's see what this looks like, and I think it's just gonna be like a little bit of glitter. I have enough glitter on my face right now, but that's okay. Let's just add some more. Oh, that's pretty. Do you guys see how it added like a little bit of glitter? That's really pretty. Okay, so I like this product. Let me just do a little swatch so you guys can see on my hand. But it adds like just a little shine of glitter. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I wish I could really show you on camera how this looks, but I really like this. This is really pretty. I like this one too. So this is really, really nice. I like that. So what I'm going to do is there's 2 other colors here. I'm going to go ahead and put these aside because I may be including these in a future giveaway as well because they're really, really pretty and I think you guys are going to love them. And I already have one and it looks really pretty. So that is everything that I tried on from the PIXI Pretties collection, and I have to say these are gorgeous collaborations. Honestly guys, the PIXI Pretties was a very successful collection. I really like a lot of the items that I tried on. I think they all worked. Every single one worked. They look really pretty. I love all the color selection in here. I think it was really good. So yeah, I really like them. I would totally recommend to you guys highly to pick up the Maryam ones. These are cool. I really love that it comes with a liquid lip and it also comes with one of these glitter fairy lights. I think that's amazing. I definitely think the Chloe Morello lip glosses are beautiful. I really, really, really like them. And definitely the rachhloves palette is really, really cool too. I love highlighters, and Pixie's highlighters to me are the best. The Heart Defensor, I like this palette. Like I said, I think I wish it had one darker shade in here, but definitely the pigment is there. Definitely the quality is there. If you guys like this palette, definitely worth picking up. I didn't try on any of the products from the Head to Toe collaboration because I already had tried all of these on and I didn't have any more space on my face. But guys, this is a really, really cool collection. I really, really like it. Let me know below if you guys picked up anything from this collection and if you guys liked anything, because I definitely do, and it's really, really cool. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys did, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, leave me comments, ring the bell, do all the stuff that you have to do so that YouTube sees me and says, hey, let me recommend her, because maybe people who like makeup enjoy her, you know? So anyways, thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later.